Hello and welcome to another update video about ARB. So this is now getting a little bit into trouble. However, we start to have a really good reward to risk ratio here. It's dropped further. I mean, this, to be honest, the way I labeled it, yeah, in a 1-2 setup, this would have to be the B. This would have to be the B. And we also have 5 waves down now of the high. So ideally this C wave ends as long as we, above 125. As I explained to you, a break below 125 will be a very first warning that things are going to get very, very ugly. Below 125, I've got one more structural support at 115. But below that, I mean, yeah, that would be the second warning if that breaks. And then below 110, the bullish count is completely invalidated. For a bit of context, anybody who's been charting this with us knows that I've flagged my concerns because it's such a short price history, so you cannot really come up with a reliable Elliott wave count. What you can do though is to put the labels on to understand when a scenario will get invalidated or is going to face invalidation very shortly with a high probability. And a break below 125, if price sustains below it, it would increase the risk of invalidation. Yeah, such a wave 2 here will not be invalidated until we break below $1.10, but below the 78.6 retracement, which is the 125 level, we are going to increase that risk will massively increase. Okay, so I would probably turn bearish on this count. But what does it mean, break and sustain? It would mean that if you have price, do this, it's fine. It breaks briefly below it, but it recovers, it still has a chance. But if it then does something like that and take out this previous swing low, that would mean it's breaking, and it would mean it's sustaining below. Yeah, it's a very good sign. And also if it comes down below and just sort of consolidates sideways, that would be another, it breaks and sustains. And then this is an indication that it eventually will not hold this support. Now looking at this, if we really count this here as a B wave top, which could be because it's very messy and also from the proportions, this works out quite well, then my take is that we can look at this move down here as a possible C wave ending diagonal possibly, or no, not even. I mean, this is a mess, this is a right mess, but I would, to come up with something reasonable, I would say you have a good chance. This was a 1, this was a 2. We had here maybe, this is a 3 wave move down as it seems. There are different ways probably how I could place that wave 2, to be honest. I could place it here as well. But to keep it simple, I'll leave it here now. But I'll show you then this could be a 3rd, this could be a 4th and a 5th. So I could place the 2 here as well in an A, B, C, maybe a running flat of some sort. Maybe, no, it would be a truncated zigzag. But that's not so important. We're looking at the 30-minute chart, remember. But then you have another possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 3, a wave 4 and a 5. So I've got enough waves to count the move down complete. Could also get one more squiggle down. It all depends on, this is just sort of to give you some orientation, but what I think is more important, I leave the wave 5 open at the moment. What is more important is to understand that the 125 level here is the relevant one. A break above 137 now, the wave 4 high would be a good start to indicate that we have actually bottomed here. What probably doesn't happen anymore is a larger B wave to the upside. I'm going to take that out because it's dropped. This cannot be the A wave anymore. Yeah, someone posted in the comments, this could still be the A wave. No, this can't be the A wave anymore of wave 2. Well, it could be, but it's going to, the C wave is running out of space. So if we have this as an A wave, we do a B wave up and the C wave down, the C wave would be very short, which it often isn't. So it would just risk breaking support eventually. But yeah, this is still the bullish count. 125 needs to hold. What would be the bearish one? And I will make that primary below 125. It would just simply be, let's see. So this would need to be an A wave. This would need to be a B wave. And we come down and C. So basically bearish count, yeah, and 5 waves down. Then we need to look at this in more detail. But of course, bearish count is possible. This is so far a 3-wave top only. I've got it as a 1-2-1-2 setup. Problem with 1-2-1-2 setups is they can also be just an ABC, okay? That's the problem. Or even A, yeah, B, and then C to the upside is probably what works out better. A, B, C now, and then we could start an impulse down. So it remains, my view, the 125 level. I mean, that level was known as key support for a possible wave 2 scenario. So it allowed everybody to measure their risk, you know, how far can the price go down in this particular scenario without really shifting probabilities too much. And that's where we are now, very nearly there. So below 125, things are going to get a bit ugly, and I would get more concerned about new lows for ARB. All right, that's my update about ARB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.